The Maker Dad here. I'm doing a review on a 3D printed safety razor that I did the other day. And I actually used this one for a while until I got this one right here. So there's a big size difference, and I downloaded this from Thingiverse. I want to try it out, and I did this before I got into safety razors, and I really liked it. It's a really simple design. But I got a screw. I did this on a MakerBot 2X. So as you can see, it's 3 pieces to print. I'll link where to print this from. Here's I got these from Kroger the first time. This design is pretty sturdy. I think I did like a 15% infill, 25% in, about 20% infill. This one here, as you can see, it's a little different, and it's kind of slide it in there and go like this, and you can adjust. This one you just kind of put it over like this. The slots are in here. And then wish there was a better way to do this. I actually got a pretty close shave with this, and like I said, I used it for a while until I got this other one, and there's a whole kit to download, and I would recommend this for anyone wanting to get into safety razors. Try it out. This is a little lighter. I'll try a 30% infill on this. Checks out the Maker Dad.